Hello?
Hello.
What's up?
Hey, I'm about to leave work in like 10-15 minutes.
Girl, what? Because of the time, as much as I want to blow dry it, I think I shouldn't do that. I think I should just start off with what I have, where I'm at, and go from there. But a little bit of leave-in conditioner. I'm still put heat protectant because I may stretch it once I'm done. I'll put the rest later. But once I'm done, I may stretch it first. Okay. Still need to get a trim, so I'm not too locked in on this length right now because now we're gonna twist this on up. Alright, so we're gonna try a new product to me in my hair, which is the Do Be Girl collection. I feel like I'm very much so late. If I am, just let it be. So we're gonna use this. We are doing a 3-strand twist out, just to let you know. I feel like I already don't want to use this because I'm nervous and I actually like need to be somewhere. We're going to, I don't know. There's no way. Hello?
Hello.
What's up?
Hey, I'm about to leave work in like 10-15 minutes.
Girl, what?
30.
Right. So, okay.
Alright.
Thanks. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Alright. So, the exact reason why I said this is going to be tricky, she just called me saying that she was ready, and I was hoping that did not happen. And I did one twist, and let's do this. feel like the twist has too much product on it, I'll spray it a little bit. Just a little bit. And then I'll kind of squeeze out the excess. Not a lot. It's just like legit the top layer. Like I didn't like fully like pinch it. Just gliding down it. You know what I'm happy to say is that my hands aren't sticky. With the dew, my hands are sometimes sticky. Not sometimes. It is sticky with the when I use it. So this isn't sticky. Doing our hair late at night when we should have just started earlier. What a time. Oh, I should get it this week, but I need to be done with my hair. I need to be done. We're gonna get a trim next week. So is there any regret from yesterday? Yes. I ended up sitting under the dryer and but that was this morning. I should have sat under the dryer last night. I should have. 'Cause I feel like my hair would have dried like fluffier versus this. So I know better. So I'm supposed to proceed doing better, but I did not. And what was that? Okay, I'm gonna have to fluff like nobody's business. This side is trying to play me. And I didn't even sleep on this side. I slept on this side. So, what is time? I'm purposely leaving this piece because I had to put it back in because it was not curled at all. So hopefully it does something. By the time I finish fluffing, remind me not to get color no more. It's, once again, it's cute, it's pretty, it gives a little pop. I had a fun little pop for the summer, but you're gonna always miss that fullness, and you know, depending on how your hair reacts to color and how it grows out. So that's where we are. Grab a little bit of oil and we're gonna start separating, okay? Alright, this is what we look like. Yeah, I think the perm rod pulled on that side, and so now I think I know. So now it looks like that. Like it's really reflecting the difference of the curly hair versus the straight hair. And that's not cute.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, probably just like, girl, help me. My hair is soft. We're just gonna see how it holds in this humidity. I think that's really the biggest part here. All right, y'all. This is